Hello everybody, today we're gonna make a pinch cup. So get a cutting wire and get piece of clay like this, and maybe that's gonna be enough. So don't forget to cover your clay because it's really hot, the clay dries fast. So you have this piece of clay and roll a ball. Just make sure no air bubbles inside. Okay, and start pinching with your thumbs in the middle like this, and keep pinching. Start at the bottom and work towards the rim. Make rim smooth and even. When you're done, try to make your walls really thin. Go around. Like that. And when you think you are done, you have to cover your cup and cover it with a plastic bag and leave it until next day. Then we can add the foot. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this aside. So I have small little cup. I made it yesterday, so it's leather hard already, so you can work on it like smooth and make sure this the rim is really smooth and nice, because if you're making sharp edges, it's gonna be, it could cut your fingers when it's fired. So you can have a sponge, so you always have water handy here. Clean it, make it smooth. You can do that. You work a little bit more with a rib. You can make it smooth by using the rib. And then for the inside part, you can use this part of the rib. Smooth it. So keep in mind, this cup is being covered at least for 48 hours. So we're gonna add the foot. You're gonna work more on this. Clean it. So now I'm gonna make a little coil. I'll get more clay. Okay, so I have more clay here. And I'm gonna roll the coil. I'm gonna roll a little coil here. For the foot. Maybe it's too much here. So let's do some scoring. I have this nice scoring tool, or you can use this type of rib for scoring. Or you can use this one if you have one. Or you can use a small plastic fork. Okay, so just add some water. Score more. Don't be afraid to score more. So, and then you need a slip. Slip is the mixture of clay and water. Okay, so you're gonna add slip here to make sure your foot is sticking in. So here I made it a coil for the foot. I'm gonna score this again, even though this cup is leather hard and my coil is soft clay. Okay, so basically I don't need that much of the slip here, but I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna roll like this, my foot like this. And I need a little bit more. Roll more if you need it. Slip. Okay, so I made a little foot. Use some wooden modeling tool to attach this to the bottom of the cup, like this. Or you can use the sponge a little bit, smooth a little bit. And it's just my little cup. So we need to cover this again and leave it until tomorrow so we can smooth the foot. And make more cups and try to design by using elements of design, and keep water handy all the time if necessary, and keep your slip. And thank you. Until next time, I'll see you and I'll show you how to make a handle. Thank you.